Sunny City of Portmore. We're delivering a package for Andrew. Oh, Jim said that's right. Jim said that's right, just the same. Your daughter, right?
Yeah, man, my daughter, man.
Alright. I know you never can tell you much about the service, but thanks for reaching out to us.
Yes, man.
Making sure we're not lost. Because we nearly lost a while ago.
No, you're not lost, man. No way.
We're not lost.
I'm going to say this is the Cannon Road.
This is the Canal Road?
Yeah, this is
Oh.
the Cannon Road. See the Cannon there.
So, how down there, so long? I him last me same way?
Can be.
It could be. Anyway,
That's
we'll talk to her and thanks much for reaching out.
man.
Have a good one.
No, I'm call her now. I have to go. I have to go you go straight because my service finished at me leave out of there.
Oh, so you're on the hotspot.
Yeah.
Alright, you're on the Wi-Fi. Alright, do you think? Go in. I saw him going, man. Alright, take care, daddy. Alright, have a good one. And that's how it is on the delivery trail in Portmore for sure. Have a good one. Hey guys, you've been watching our videos. Why haven't you signed up yet? Come on, it's been a while. Now, you should sign up for a free shipping account with us so you can be one of our Prime members. Yeah, when you sign up, also sign up for a Platinum membership, which allows you to get 4 free shipping coupons for the year. You're missing out. Why are you missing out on all of this? Come on, be a part of the family. You know how we do it. Sign up, click the link up here. Check out at the bottom of our webpage for the promotions link. You'll know all that we're doing all day, every day. Looking forward to seeing you.
All right.